Today, we will create this cool abstract animation in Blender. It will be very easy to do. So stay with me, and now let's get started. First, we select the cube, delete. Now go here and add in mesh. We select gear. As you can see, we have a little window here. Open it. I increase the number here maybe to 40, like this. I decrease the radius maybe 0.3, like this. This give it 0.2. The base I give it 3. You can play as you want with this. Here the angle, I change it. You will see the difference. Now if I scale the object like this, as you can see, we have this object like this. Now I go here in modifier properties, add modifier. Here in deform, I select displace, hit new, and here open it. Here in image or movie, we change it to wood. Here I change it to rings noise. Here in Blender original, I move it to Voronoi F2 F1. I decrease the size here maybe to 0.7, and here I give it 4.5, like this. Now I go back here in modifier, I go here in generate, I select subdivision surface, I give it 3, like this. Now right click, shadow smooth. As you can see, we have now this object like this. Now if I increase the number, I give it I leave it like this, and I go back here. I decrease the number to 0.054. Now go here in mesh, I add a plane, S to scale it, G, Z down, like this. Now Alt Control 0, hit N, view, camera to view. Now we select an angle. Okay, now I select the object. I decrease this. I leave it like this in 5. The turbulence, I give it 5. And the size, you can change it as you want. But for me, I leave it like this, 0.05. Now, first, I go here in Word, in Colors, I select Environment Texture. Open your HDRI in your computer and select any image for you. So for me, I select, maybe I select this one. Now, for this tutorial, it will be working in cycles. I switch to cycles, activate GPU if you have one, active the noise, and here decrease the number to 32, and here give it maybe just 30, because we will using displacement and it's take a time to render the image or the animation. So I make this modification to make the render faster. So go here in light paths, left click and select all this and give it 1. Here disable this and enable this one. I go here in color management, I give it just medium high contrast. Now I go here in viewport shading. Here when you see the plus up, and here go to shader editor, hit N to close this window. Now I select the plane, hit plus, make it metallic, and here in the roughness give it 0.2, just like this. Now we select the object, hit new, and make it just like this. Now go here in add, in converter we select color ramp, go here in add, in input I select ambient occlusion, connect color to factor, and here color to base color. Hit this plus to make, we will make three colors, and here switch to constant. Now I select the first, this one, I give it I make it like this, yellow. This one we will leave it white, And this one, I make it blue, a light blue. Now go here and add. In converter, we select color ramp, another color ramp. I duplicate, right click, duplicate. Now connect color to this one and color to this another one, and switch here to constant, this one too. Now I connect the first one to metallic and this one to the roughness. Now here you can increase, decrease, okay, the plane, I select the plane, and here I make it just like this. Now go back to the object, and here you can increase, decrease. The roughness, I change the color, this color, and make it like this. Darker like this. You can increase the distance. I decrease the distance like this. I give it just like this. Now go back here and decrease this like this. I give it maybe 0.4. I go back here in word properties. I change this maybe to this one to make it more white like this. Make it like this. Okay. As you can see, it's easy to do. Now we want to make the animation. So here in frame 1, I go back here in modifier properties and I decrease this maybe to just like this in 1, right click, insert a keyframe. And now the timeline, I give it just 120 because it takes time to render the animation. So I decrease this like this. Now you can increase the number as you want. So I give it 2.6 like this. Right click, insert a keyframe. Now if we play, we have this animation like this. Now I go here in render image. In render, I select the image to see how it look as our image. As you can see, we let him to finish. And now we have this abstract like this. Maybe the subdivision, I give it, I select this one, the subdivision, I make it in 4 to give us a smooth like this. And I can play with the roughness. You can choose any color you want. I forget, right click, shadow smooth. Now we have a nice object like this. It's nice like this. I hope that you like this video. If you want more tutorials like this, please give me a thumbs up and a beautiful comment and subscribe in my channel. Now this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoy to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.